Welcome back to the CoCo Finance channel. It's always a pleasure to connect with our dedicated audience, and if you're joining us for the first time, a hearty welcome to our ever-growing financial community. Today, we're embarking on an enlightening journey into the intricate world of financial management. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's something in here for everyone. So, settle in, perhaps with your favorite brew, and let's delve in. A deep dive into financial management. Financial management, at its core, is the art and science of managing money. But as we'll discover today, it's so much more than just numbers on a balance sheet. The essence of financial management. Financial management is about the strategic planning, organizing, directing, and overseeing of financial activities within an organization. It's not just about making money, but making that money work efficiently. It involves applying management principles to an organization's financial resources and ensuring that these resources are utilized in a manner that maximizes value for stakeholders. Your financial management options. In today's diverse financial landscape, there are a plethora of options available for managing one's finances. You could manage them independently, taking a DIY approach. Employ a full-time financial professional to oversee your assets. Engage a part-time accountant for periodic check-ins. Or even outsource to a third party, like a chartered accountant or a financial consultancy that specializes in handling financial activities. The role of financial managers. Within most organizations, there's a dedicated department that's the heartbeat of all financial activities. This department, often led by a finance manager, is the guardian of the organization's resources. They're not just bean counters, they're strategic thinkers, decision makers, and often the unsung heroes who ensure the financial health of an entity. Objectives of financial management. Financial management isn't aimless. It has clear objectives. Profit maximization. This involves offering insights on factors like rising costs of raw materials that might impact selling prices. Shareholder returns, ensuring satisfactory returns to shareholders based on various factors. Liquidity monitoring, keeping a close eye on cash flow to ensure there's always enough in the kitty. Optimal fund utilization, making every penny work hard. Investment safety, ensuring funds are channeled into ventures that offer a balance of risk and return. Capital structure design, striking the right balance between debt and equity. The many hats of a financial manager. A financial manager's role is multifaceted. They're involved in determining required capital, deciding on the capital structure, choosing funding sources, investing capital wisely, procuring funds, allocating profits, and overseeing financial control mechanisms. Types of financial management. Financial management isn't a one-size-fits-all discipline. It has various facets. Capital budgeting, planning for the company's financial future. Capital structure, deciding on the mix of debt and equity. Working capital management, this involves day-to-day financial activities, ensuring smooth operations. And there we have it, a comprehensive look into financial management. We hope this deep dive has provided you with valuable insights and a clearer understanding of the subject. If you found this content enriching, do give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow finance enthusiasts, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. At CoCo Finance, our mission is to empower you with knowledge because, as we always say, an informed investor is a successful investor. Until our next rendezvous, stay savvy and keep those financial goals in sight.